It was a perfect spring day at the toy castle. Perfect for spring dancing. Perfect for dust. And perfect for spring cleaning.
Would you like to help us, Ragdoll?
Have you ever seen spring cleaning at the toy castle? Ragdoll hadn't either, but she had promised to help. Ballerina had put all the things she didn't want anymore in the middle of the floor. Ragdoll was all ready for spring cleaning. Who would throw away such a beautiful tablecloth? Looked just like the one Ballerina had.
Now you will feel loved again. Ready for spring cleaning!
Who would have thrown away a beautiful heart? Looked just like the one that China Doll had.
Now you will feel loved again.
If there was one thing the China Doll didn't like having around, it was broken china.
What you doing?
She was spring cleaning, throwing out things she didn't want anymore.
But you love that cup.
The China Doll used to love it, but now it was broken.
Well, could I have it? Now you will feel loved again. What you doing? Spring cleaning. But you love that lunchbox.
The Ballerina used to love the lunchbox, but now the paint was faded.
Well, could I have it? Now you will feel loved again.
The Ballerina kept spring cleaning. China Doll kept spring cleaning. and China Doll were finally finished spring cleaning. But where was Rag Doll? The ballerina looked at all the things she'd thrown out. And China Doll looked at all the things she'd thrown out. And they all looked new again. And they all looked so beautiful.
Well, you can have it all back. No, dear Ragdoll. This is all yours. Your love has made everything beautiful.
It was a perfect day for celebrating spring and the making of all things bright and beautiful again.
Subscribe to the Toy Castle and make sure to click on the notification bell to find out first when new videos are posted.